So we've made it. We are here at Cayuga and we are at the Super Honda meet, and this place is absolutely nuts. And what's actually funny right now is I am looking at the old CSX. I'm gonna show you guys. But it is beside a couple of my buddies' FD2s and CSXs that are looking absolutely insane too. Check it out. We got Mr. Bobby Moda here. He's built such a beautiful Mugen. I wouldn't even be Mugen inspired because it's technically all the Mugen parts, right? So he's got this
Mugen catalog.
Yes, and you don't hear that too often. You hear a lot of Spoon catalog, but this is a Mugen catalog CSX Type S, and it's supercharged craft force, making about like 360 something. And let's check it out. First, I guess we'll address, this is the old CSX Type S, and funny enough, it's beside all my buddies. This used to be me, but I messed up, I guess, right? Nah, but here's the CSX Type S. It's looking good. A little different than it originally was when I had it. His name is Ben that owns it, and he's got some big plans for it, and yeah, I'm super excited to see how this turns out. But I think the showstopper right now is Bobby's FD2 right here. This thing is nuts. M&M fenders, Mugen front lip, Mugen. What else do you have Mugen on here? You have, so the front end, you have FD2 headlights. Mugen lip.
Mugen authentic Mugen lip. FD2 side skirts.
Mugen grill.
Mugen grill.
Then he's got big brakes, some advents on here with like a meat. That's a, how wide are those?
9.5.
9.5 by what?
So the specs is 17 by 9.5 plus 45.
Nice.
With a 20 mil spacer.
Beautiful. And this thing sits like super aggressive, super nice. But yeah, this car, you even have the original leathers inside still, eh?
Yeah, it's full.
You don't wanna, you don't wanna go like race seat.
It's debating like full race seat, you know, and gutting it, or just keeping it nice and.
At least do one race seat, I think.
Yeah, maybe. Like keeping it planted.
Yeah, exactly. To keep you planted, because I noticed when I had these that they slipped a lot. But the interior is all basically OEM with a few gauges and stuff. Oh yeah, super clean. Yeah, one thing with me with the seats is I slid around a lot, especially when you're taking corners and stuff, but you're really not tracking it, right? This is kind of a street build.
I've tracked it a few times.
Yeah.
Seatbelt trick. So
lock it.
You lock the
seat. You lock the seatbelt. Beautiful.
You plant it on the hips.
Super nice, man. Super clean. But I think my favorite thing about this car is the rear end. Like this rear end is absolutely epic. Like look at it. You don't see it too often either. Yeah. And this is all authentic, which is really, really nice.
Mugen underwing.
Yeah.
FD2 rear bumper, Mugen GT spec spoiler.
Beautiful. And then you have, he's got a Mugen hood coming in also.
Yeah,
and this,
COVID.
yeah, that's the tough part of buying parts these days. But this thing looks super, super clean. What do you guys think? I'll put his tag down below. Go follow his build. This thing's absolutely insane. And funny enough, it's beside the CSX, eh? A little different than when we had it, but it's still essentially the same bones on it. But yeah, hopefully Ben goes all out with that and changes it up and makes it his own.
He's got some parts on order.
Yeah, so it's gonna be super cool, but amazing build. Check this thing out. This thing is fire. Look at it. So you think it's a 4-door, and it's not. And the Mugen front end actually looks really, really good with a 2-door coupe body. What do you guys think down below? I think it's actually super cool. He did a really good job on it. He's been talking to me about this for a little while. It's nice to see that it's finally done. We got a nice like dash there. The tablet looks sick. And then the rear end, custom duckbill spoiler, I believe. He's got the flares on there. Super clean build. This thing's really, really nice. If you guys haven't checked out, that is High Beam's crew. He has an HN channel, so if you're missing out the HN on my channel, I'll link his down below. Go check him out. He's got a super cool channel, and he's got a really nice car as well. Super clean tension. Super clean. Got some work motions on there. Yo, that looks really, really nice. The coupe is looking nice. Craftwork supercharged, demon headlights. This thing looks sick. Well done, dude. Those are another set of wheels that I really, really like. The NTO3s. I've been really debating on getting these for the 10-Chen and getting rid of the work emotions. We have the sister, brother. We have a right-hand drive DC5R here. Super clean. And it's not sitting very far from the EP3 right there. The EP3 is right there. And this is looking super clean. So, the owner of this FK8 right here is the old owner of the EP3 Type R, and I think he did a good decision. This thing's looking super clean. I really, really like how he painted the carbon hood and left the carbon exposed like that. Super sick. This meat's turning out to be like really, really good. A lot of nice Hondas here. A little part of me always wants an FK8. Maybe we'll trade intention. Nah, I don't know. But who knows? Another boosted CRX, clean body on Volks. You don't see this too often either. This is sick. Here's another up and coming race channel here too. If you guys looking for some 9gen content, especially race content, you're gonna check out Vito. I'm gonna link his channel down below too. This thing's absolutely sick. He retracts this like a beast. If you're into it, check it out. This thing's looking super nice. A rear custom duck bill there too. On the spoiler looks real nice too. This makes me want to go silver RPF ones on the 10 gen, I'm not gonna lie guys. These are some nice builds. How often do you see a tucked 9 gen bay? Not that often at all. Did a really good job with it. This is ideally what I kind of want to do with the EP3. Just tuck it a bit, make it look cleaner. Nice 9 gen, man. If you guys into this type of fitment and these types of setups, this is a really nice car. Check this out. This is probably one of the cleanest EKs I've seen in person. The color play on this is absolutely fantastic. Even the wheel play and everything. If you check the interior, he's got all these little, like, if you guys can see, I think those are the confetti seats in there, the rear headrests, and then even these fins here. These are super hard to find, but these things are absolutely cool. All the little things he did in the car, like super cool stuff. That is absolutely badass, man. We got all the wide bodies here. This thing's sick. What a nice car. As you guys can see, this is Brian. He has the RSX that I shot a long time ago. If you haven't checked it out, go through the channel. He's one of the first cars I shot, and this thing is absolutely beautiful. And then we have another wide body here. It's a Buddy Club wide body kit, and this thing looks sick. The holy grail of Hondas right here, the NSX. And what's cool about this NSX is he actually tracks it too. This thing is sick. This thing is so sick. One day, this is one of the dream builds right here. One day. How often can you say you've seen one of these? This thing's a beast. I believe it's Kraftwerk supercharged also. This thing's sick. I think it's one of the only ones I've ever seen around here. Beast. Absolute beast. Low key feels right there, eh? But this 10 gen is looking super nice. A little part of me wants to maybe track the 10 gen, maybe do some drag and some time attack, just see how it does. Sick car, man. Alright guys, so this is actually a few days later. When I got home, I was pooped. I was done. The day before, I had 2 parties to go to, then I woke up early and I went down to the Super Honda meet, which it was absolutely great. Like, I met a lot of you guys. I didn't get to vlog or shoot as much as I would like. I even brought my gimbal to do some cinematics and stuff, and I didn't get to do too much, and it was for a good reason, because a lot of you guys were coming up to me and talking to me. I met a lot of you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. I showcased some of the cars that really stood out to me. There's a few YouTubers there which were talking about collaborating, which one of my big things is trying to get as many of you guys to start channels. I want the Canadian YouTube automotive scene to be something like the States. I want it to be big where we can collab and work with each other. So slowly I'm trying to convince a lot of you guys to do it. Like I said, if you guys want to do it, just put your hearts into it and just do it. Do a lot of research. YouTube taught me a lot. This is all self-taught. And yeah, just start upgrading your equipment, buy some decent stuff. And yeah, I discussed with a few of you guys about your builds and your aspirations and what you did, which is really cool. And I met a lot of subscribers, and it's crazy to see that people are coming up to me and like talking to me and stuff like that. Like, I don't know, I guess I'm someone special, but I'm really not. But yeah, that was super cool, and yeah, I don't know, I had a good time. I was debating on going, and last minute I said, let's go. I got on DP3 and we went. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a small little vlog. I showcased some of the cars I enjoyed seeing. Probably missed a lot of them, but like I said, I was super busy talking to all you guys. But I really appreciate you guys checking out the vlog and basically watching the video and all the support and love that I've had. We're on the road to 15K, then after 15K it's 20, and I think this winter I'm gonna work on some sweaters. Some merch, small, just a small little bit. If you guys are excited for merch, let me know down below. If you guys don't know, I do have stickers available. Just DM me on Instagram, it's gonna be right here, and they're $5 shipped to wherever you guys are. But yeah, super excited. I don't know, it's just this type of stuff's getting a little surreal when people are nervous to come talk to me and stuff like, yo, I'm a normal dude, just picked up a camera, and just learning how to install and do things just like you guys. If you guys are aspiring to do it, trust me. But yeah, thank you guys so much. I love you guys. Make sure you do it once, do it right, like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out, later.